Today we're going to take these Oxydo LED lights and put them on the 2000 Land Cruiser that has 325,000 miles, and we're going to see how they do. They gave them to me for free, said just make a video, so let's check them out. They're adjustable and they have cool branding, so I'm excited. Let's check it out, see if they're any better than the factory ones. Let's check out the factory lighting. All right, so factory lights, kind of yellow, looks fine. Love the Land Cruiser, love the interior, the way everything looks. So there we go, that's factory. Pretty yellow. So let's start installing these and see how cool it looks afterwards. All right guys, so far I'm really impressed. It comes with a little tool and these are really high quality, and all I had to do was just pop this out on the door, and then like these things are super simple to replace. That's one easy way to do it. So on the side there's these clips, you can just press on the side this little thing and that'll slide right out. Now the next step is just opening this lens. So if you can just get underneath that, this lens will open up. There we go. Just take this lens out. It's a little warm, not really. And literally guys, it's that simple. This is actually really cool. I'm just surprised it's so easy. And there's your beauty. It's really bright and it looks really cool. It's literally that easy. How cool is that? Much improvement, right? So let's check out this side and we'll go over to the other side. You can tell the difference even on the camera, right? Between this one, it's like bright white to like the ceiling light to the white ones. Wow, these are super nice, man. These take like 3 seconds to do as well. So now that I have an idea of what I'm doing, I can just pop this one out. This one was a little loose, so I'm just gonna bend this piece out. Maybe that'll help hold it in place better. And there you go. And there we go. All right, once again, I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. And you can actually use this tool then to get this thing out. There it is. They've got springs on them, so I'm curious how this will actually fit in there. This is really good branding. And this is a pretty good product. I mean, like, I'm impressed. Look at this. I've bought LEDs before and they weren't this nice at all. Look, it has branding on this side. It's like not in there perfectly, but I don't guess it really matters. It definitely works. All right, here we are with the rear done. You can see the fronts aren't done, but the rear is. Big difference. All right guys, this was really easy. I just popped this off, and this is an AudioVox aftermarket option. It's a DVD player actually with a drop down screen. Yeah, look at this. Huh. I've never used this before. Maybe we'll play with it in a little bit. But it was really easy. You just pop this off. I could probably do it one-handed while holding the camera. Look at that. That's all you do. You just pop this off. And we're gonna do this one-handed. We're gonna go for it. There's the bulb, pull that out. Grab your other ones with one hand, pop it out. That's messy, but we're gonna get it done with one hand. And then, look how easy this is, literally. And then test it, bam. Super simple to do this, so easy. Look how much better this looks and how bright it is. So much brighter than it was before. Stoked for this. All right, let's finish. Let's pop these guys back in and then we'll do the front. I don't think you pop those out like that. Let's see if there's another way. So there's a bulb. I can just replace it. Boom. Let's turn these headlights off. There it goes. You can open it with one finger. Pull this up. Hold it with the other. Pull bulb out. Get the other bulb. Plop a bulb in. Test. Not working. Good thing I tested. Push in further. Test again. Retest. Awesome. Push back in. Awesome. Like I said, these are good, high quality LEDs. The branding's cool, the packaging's cool. It seems to be a very high quality product, and it only took about 10 minutes to install. All right, really excited. I just finished up the Land Cruiser. You can see it behind me. We put in the LED interior lights, and we took apart the dash, and the Oxido LED lights are amazing, and it worked out really well. Also put the dash back together. I got the dash lights to start working again, amazingly. And when I reset the battery, when I pressed the lock button, the lights came back on the interior. So let's check it out. I'm really excited. So this is with the LEDs. I've got all the links in the description. LEDs for the tail light. Look, when I hit unlock, look at the inside now. There's the LEDs. How cool is that? Lock, unlock. How sweet. All right, let's open it up and look inside. Like brand new. Let's see how the LEDs look in the back. Awesome. And look at the rear LED, so bright. Look at this. That's too nice. So let's look at this center section light. If you have a normal light, it's so bright. Look at this. This is with like 20% tint. You can still see straight in. So now let's open up the tailgate. Oh yeah. Looking awesome. My favorite part of the truck, the tailgate. So, great bang for your buck. Easy to do. All these links are in the descriptions. Even those are LED. These guys are even LED. I'll put the links in there. I can just lock it up with a button. And the lights turn off. And it looks mean. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you want 15% off your Oxido LED lights, there's a link below. And if you want a free Yeti tumbler, just sign up. There's a link below. I'm gonna give away this brand new Yeti tumbler, and you can get 15% off. Use the links below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.